So for Pentomino Sudoku here, we're going to start off with the rules. So every row has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every column has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one of these bold pentominos, you guessed it, has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all these puzzles, I like to first find out where we have the most information and start there. But in each one of these rows, there you go, so a number. And in each one of these columns, there you go, so a number. So we don't have a whole lot of information in the in the rows and columns, but see this pentomino here? They gave us 3 out of the 5 numbers. So all I'm missing here is the 2 and the 1. The 2 and 1, I just don't know what order, but we should know to focus on the 2s and 1s now. So let's see this, focus on the 2. No more 2s in this row. No more 2s in this column. I mean, I know there's not a 2 here and here, nor here and here. I see how that helps. I mean, I see how none of these cells. I hope this one tells us a little more. Let's see. No more 1s in this row. No more 1s in this column. But this column is real interesting. I see all the rest of the squares are in the same old pentomino. So I know I have to have at least 1 and a pentomino. But I know I can't put them here, 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 or here. So I know the 1 has to be here. I learned something. So I like to focus on that little piece of information I learned. So let's see. Using this 1, I block off this and these, the top row and this column here for this pentomino, so I know all that is left for the 1 there is right here. So now focus or something else, so I focus on that piece of information. So I see no more 1s in this row, no more. That's easy. It can't have a 1 here, but this still has to have a 1 or a 2 since that's the only thing we have. I mean, that's the only thing we're left with in this pentomino. So I know there's a 2 here, that leaves 1 for the only other option. So now we have 4 out of our 5 1s. We're only missing a 1 in this column and missing a 1 in this row. We have a 1 sitting right here. So 1 right here. So now let's focus on the 2s again. Let's see. No more 2s in this column, no more 2s in this row. I don't see how that helps. Let's try this 2. Let's see, no more 2s in this row. No more 2s in this column. That doesn't help either. Stuck. Oh, I see. This column, it's missing a 3 and a 4, but I already have a 3 here. Can't possibly put a 3 here. So the only other option is the 4. That leaves the 3 for the only other option. So now here, I see these two 4s. This 4, it just kicks out this square. And this 4, it helps this 4 knock out these 2. That means the 4 in this pentomino with these out, there has to be a 4 right here. Now there's a lot of things we can do. Since, I mean, here we're all missing, and this, here all we're missing is the 2 and a 5. No 2 here, 5 and 2. This is a trick. I know how to do it pretty well here. And now think here, we are only missing a 3 and a 5. I don't know, in these situations, you should also look for places where there's 2 left. It's most likely you'd have something to do. Anyways, so there's missing 3 and 5. Well, no 5 here, so 3 goes here, 5 in the other place. And that is really a lot of things we can do. Okay, so then all we're missing in this column is a 4. Okay, so here we're missing 2, a 4, and a 3. 4 here knocks out 4 there. Have a 3 and a 4. So now we're almost done. Here we only have 2 remaining. And then this spot just scream out. So here all we're missing is 3 and 5. 3 is already here, that knocks out that for an option. 5 and 3. Now we're only missing, let's see, 5 here, 2 here, and we are done.